Hi, I'm Melissa. This is CCN, and you're receiving a DataStream download.
Hey everybody, this is Melissa Tan, and I've got the inside scoop for you. Here's the question. What do Reese Witherspoon, Bree Vandekamp of Desperate Housewives, and Hermione of Harry Potter have in common? They brought the sexy back to smart. That's right, ladies. They are smart, sexy chicks, and they're modern. Here's the deal. This is where we're gonna get you organized. Follow me. As a guy, you like a little junk in the trunk, or do you like a little skinny girl?
You know, I'm not gonna lie, I like an athletic build. I like girls that aren't skinny minis, but yet, you know, they're good, healthy, good and healthy.
Okay, ladies, you heard it here. And Brad Garrett's new Fox comedy, Till Death, is about how to keep a marriage going over the years. But here's the real scoop. In real life, he's been secretly divorced from his wife for over a year, so there's a little bit of lost credibility here, don't you think?
I don't know, if he's been married if he was married, he's got some credibility, I think, because he's been there, done that.
I know, but the whole point is over the years.
Well, I guess it all depends on how long he was married.
Well, here's the flip. Maybe he can show us what not to do in this new hit comedy.
They say you learn more from your mistakes, so we'll see.
There you go. This is Jeff.
This is Melissa.
We'll see you next time on TV Bounce.
Have a good evening.
Up next, we'll take a look at external theft or shoplifting. But first, let's take this moment to review what you've learned from our internal theft segment.
Aren't you forgetting something?
What?
Your babysitter.
I don't need a babysitter.
Your children will. It's exciting buying a new home, but it's also serious business.
A recent exhibit featured garbageware, designer outfits all made from, you guessed it, recycled garbage.
The nicest thing about this car is with the aluminum body, you're going to get a smooth ride and it's extremely nimble. So if you've seen any of the press, you'll be impressed. I took it out on the track and it's fabulous. But come on inside, we'll take a look at it.
And this is what we do every morning. He has a 5-minute cuddle.
Do you want to say hi to the folks at home? Can you speak?
Hi!
I'm Melissa. See you next time on DataStream. Download complete.